here. Hey, tonight we got another demo for you tonight of a Dominator Fireworks, and we got a small little cake here called the Mighty Mini. It's got 7 shots. So again, shoots flaming balls, right? It's a little 200-gram cake. If I flip it over, you can see the performance: red tail to red star, silver tail to whistling, and green tail to green star. Now, I'm going to flip it around. All right. Dad, try me. Watch the video. All right. Here's the top. So we always soak them when we're done at the BBQ Rando Ranch. But here it is. It's about as big as my fist. Maybe a little bit smaller. So we're going to go ahead and light this one off tonight. It'll make some noise, though, but it won't make too much noise. And, hey, guys, Dominator, great fireworks. Go visit them at www.dominatorfireworks.com. We're going to head on over to the launch pad. So we'll be back. So, hey, stick around. Yeah, we're going that way. Come on. Grab a root beer. We'll be back. All right, BBQ Rando's at the launch pad. So we got the Mighty Mini. And this is the one with the white labels. So there's all different color labels. So let's go ahead and give this one a shot. Wow. Hey, that was mighty. That was far from many. Hey, go ahead and subscribe, like, and comment. And don't forget to barbecue.